If you're looking to optimize your FAQ pages with SEO best practices, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to do just that in the quickest and most effective way possible. Let's start with the foundation, keyword research. Before you even write your FAQ content, you need to understand what your audience is searching for. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner, Ahrefs, or SEMrush to find relevant keywords. Focus on long-tail keywords related to your business, products, or services. Incorporating these keywords naturally into your questions and answers is key to making your FAQ pages SEO friendly. Next, make sure each FAQ answer is clear and concise. This helps not only with user experience, but also with SEO. Google favors content that directly addresses a search query. So avoid fluff and get straight to the point. A good rule of thumb is to keep answers between 40 and 60 words, providing just enough detail to satisfy the question. Then, structure your FAQ page for both users and search engines. Use header tags like H2 or H3 for each question, and make sure your answers are easy to read. Google loves organized, structured content because it's easier to understand. By using proper header tags and bullet points, you're improving your chances of ranking higher. Another SEO tactic is adding schema markup. Schema markup helps search engines understand your content more effectively. For FAQs, use the FAQ schema to provide search engines with specific details about the questions and answers on your page. This can lead to rich snippets, which make your content stand out in search results and can increase click-through rates. Linking is also critical for SEO. Internally link to other pages on your site that are relevant to the FAQ topic. This helps with site navigation, and search engines will notice that your content is connected and comprehensive. Don't forget to add external links to authoritative sources when needed. Just make sure these links add value to the user's experience. Also, make sure your FAQ pages are mobile-friendly. With mobile traffic making up the majority of website visits, having a responsive design is crucial for both SEO and user experience. Google prioritizes mobile-friendly pages in its rankings, so if your FAQ page isn't mobile optimized, you're missing out on potential traffic. To further enhance the user experience, consider adding a search function to your FAQ page. This makes it easier for users to find the answers they need, and Google values websites that prioritize user satisfaction. If your FAQ page can quickly solve a visitor's problem, they're more likely to stay on your site longer and engage with more content. Now, a quick reminder, I've tested several of the most popular SEO tools for optimizing FAQ pages, and I found one that stands out. You'll find an exclusive free trial link for that tool in the description below, only available for viewers of my channel, so check it out if you want to follow along and improve your own SEO. Key takeaway: to optimize FAQ pages with SEO best practices, focus on thorough keyword research, concise answers, structured content with header tags, schema markup for rich snippets, and mobile optimization. With these strategies, you'll see improvements in both user experience and search rankings. To recap, keyword research, clear answers, structured content, schema markup, internal and external linking, and mobile optimization. These are the main points you need to remember when optimizing your FAQ pages. And don't forget, if you want to follow along, make sure to grab that exclusive free trial from the link below. Thanks for watching.